ladies and gentlemen. It's your friend Brandon here at DripWorks. I'm here to talk to you about a very interesting plant, the Melatorillia. It goes by a lot of names, like the Cucamelon, the Mexican sour cucumber, also the Mexican mini melon, my personal favorite, the mouse melon, and you'll see why they call that soon. The Cucamelon derives from the English because it has a taste of cucumber and a slight sourness of melon rind, just slightly. It's very delicious. The melatonin actually comes from the Central America. It was domesticated there before the Europeans came over and took over the continents. This is a really fun plant, I think. It's interesting, it's new to me. It's just growing popularity here in Americas. Because of that, and there's not so much known about it factually, that they are calling it here the hidden heritage, or the forgotten heritage is what I hear new growers calling it. As you can see, all of this is coming from one vine down here. It's just one stalk is creating all of this. It does take a while to germinate, to start its growing, from 3 to 4 weeks. It also accelerates extremely fast once it starts the process of growing. If you are planting this and you don't see anything within a week, don't despair. Wait 3 weeks to see if anything sprouts up. At that point, you can toss it out and try again. Once the acceleration grows, that's why it's beautiful and perfect for balconies, terraces. You can use it for a hedge, but there's a hidden secret about these things. It's not just a hedge. There's a reason why they call it the mini melon, or the mouse melon. It's because of these. These are the fruits that it prospers. These little guys here. Also about these, if they overripe and fall on the ground, you want to remove them from the soil because they have a tendency to rot, but they also bear the fruit of it. So you can process, you can trade with friends, you can grow again. So you don't just have to toss them out, but keep them off the soil. The mouse melon requires a lot of water, but that's why drip systems are great for it, because there is no need to water the leaves. It's actually not too good for them. You want to make sure that the soil is moist. Drip line is perfect for that. It keeps it nice and moist all the time, and that keeps that constant water that it needs. It is very similar to cucumbers. It has a lot of the same properties as cucumbers, and some we don't know about yet. Things that it's great for besides salads when they become ripe is canning. I just love these little things. They look like little watermelons, and they taste great. Just wanted to show that out, something we actually have going on here. They grow abundantly, like I said. We have it on a terrace here. People can use it for hedges. They're great for growing over your balconies. They're great for growing down your porches. You can shape them and move them to whatever you wish. A key point that I'd like to add out, the difference between cucumbers and the Melatorillia, or the mouse melon as I like to call it, is that the mouse melon is actually very similar in properties as a cucumber bush is, but very much easier to maintain and upkeep. You don't have to bother with the cucumber bush as you do on the ground. With the melatonin, it's much easier and looks much better as it grows. But they both need the same amount of water, the same amount of, well, less care for the melatonin. I just thought it's a fun fact to throw in there. If you grow cucumbers, you know what I'm talking about. That's about all I can offer you at this time, but if you would like any more information or have any questions, check us out at DripWorks.com. And as always, mahalo from your friends and family here at DripWorks. We hope you have a lovely day, and happy growing, everybody.